Hey there, winos. This is Vince.Wine. Okay, I have just had one of these like incredibly busy weeks and I just really couldn't get anything done this week and I had absolutely no time for YouTube. So we are going to do a revisit on Mbali 2020 Chenin Blanc Viognier from South Africa. This was one of our Trader Joe's selections. So let's go ahead and just twist the screw cap on this bad boy on today's Wine Lab. Yes, it is like end of harvest time and a lot going on in the wine industry right now. So I have just been crazy busy, a lot of wine club stuff, a lot of fun. So I really just had a couple minutes today to spend, and I did get a couple comments on the Trader Joe's video, which I will leave a link to for you to check out, because I actually fell in love with Trader Joe's selection, and this is just one of the wines that I picked up. All of the wines were really incredible and really affordable. Great selection as far as like regional stuff that you don't typically see in the everyday grocery store. So go check out that video first. And yeah, some comments were asking had I tried this, and I just hadn't. So I threw it in the fridge today, and I figure it's a great time to just pop it open. It's a little warm today, and I figure let's enjoy some Chenin Blanc Viognier. Okay, let's just get this quickly in the glass here, and yeah, really nice pale straw color. This is a 2020 vintage on this really gorgeous bottle here with what almost kind of looks like a lotus on there. Protea cenaroides. I assume the Latin name for whatever flower that is, maybe native to South African. I'm making this up as I go along. I'll have to do some investigating after. Okay, what do we have here? We've got Chenin Blanc 79% and Viognier 21% Western Cape wine of South Africa. Kind of interesting there. They actually have the story. Mbali is the Zulu word for flower, and yeah, I was right that the protea is resilient to harsh conditions, inspires us to be resilient in our pursuit of craftsmanship. So kind of a cool little story for a really pretty label there. Okay, on the nose. Oh yeah, that is really pretty actually. Yeah, right away I do get a lot of the Viognier in there actually. A lot of these honeysuckles, orange blossoms, kind of standard stuff. It is peachy. I'm getting a lot of stone fruit out of this, apricot, peaches. A lot of orange color fruits in there. Yeah, and that's I would say that's about it. Maybe some florals in there as well. And Chenin Blanc can give you some of that same characteristic, some of those sort of honeys, maybe a little pear, a little lychee, and actually a little watermelon too. Kind of interesting. Let's get this on the palate. Oh, that is good. That is actually really good. Wow. Holy moly, this is nice. Okay, here's what's happening. I am definitely getting a full experience on this wine. It enters with a really oily sort of mouthfeel there, but there's also a crisp sort of liveliness that happens with it as well. Really clean and crisp, and does have some weightiness to it at the same time. This is a full experience. Remember, I believe this was about a $5 wine, so really nice. But in addition to that, I am getting all of those same complexities in this glass. I am getting those florals. I am getting those stone fruits in there, really big and full in flavor. And I'm getting a little kiss of minerality that I did not expect. A little hint of spice on the finish there. Maybe some stony minerality. This is offering me quite a bit, and even the finish is still going. It is really a lovely wine. What a great find, and just continues to show how incredible the selection is at Trader Joe's and how much care they really put in to the offerings that they have. Such unique offerings from very under-offered regions in your typical wine section in your local wine purveyor. Yeah, this is really good. I would anything that you would have Chardonnay with, that's what I'd have here. So right away I'm thinking like chicken and lighter fare, risottos, white sauce pastas, and seafood. You'd be happy here pretty much all day. Shrimp, shrimp for sure. That is really all I had for you today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'm sorry I didn't have more time. Next week I really want to get into a more substantial video talking about some of the best wines for under $15. So make sure you join me for that. And in the meantime, leave me a like and a subscribe, and drink safe and drink well.